So this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are on to December 12th, 24 days of Christmas Advent Calendar by Charlie's. We are going to pull number 12 together and open up and see what goodies we have today. We're just going to rip her open. See what Charlie has in store for us. We have bows. Are they Christmas bows? I don't know. I don't think so. I think these are leopard print bows. So, we have a nail ready. Let me figure out what else to do with it, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I have put a base coat on the nail. I have got a palette out here with some chocolate nail color by Modelones. It's a mini. And I guess I'm going to be making like a camo design. Gonna make some little marks here. Should have misconstrued this as a cow. But I think we all know better, right? Hopefully, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. Maybe. Okay, we're gonna... Oh, shoot. Man. Let's see if I just got messed up. I dropped it up against the lamp. I want to make sure these are all fixed before I pop her in. Give her a cure. I am going to look for a pink. I'll use this pink by Diva in a bottle. There's no number. The label is gone. It is from her Springlicious line from Diva in a Bottle. So go check them out on divainabottle.com. Princess Nails by Diana has her own website now, which I congratulate her on. Well done. Well done, well done. So now we're going to go with this beautiful pink. Put some of the designs here. Do however you want to do it. Sorry if I'm almost out of frame there. What do you think? What does you think? How does that look? So we're going to pop that back on the lamp. Oh, shoot. Clean up your palette. You wipe it off, use some isopropyl alcohol. Whatever you want to do. We will be topping off top coat. Then we have got our two little goodies here. Cut this open. I don't know where my other scissors went. my stork scissors. So to put the bows on, I will be using my nail glue by Viola. Love the stuff, it bonds pretty well instantly. Put that over. I'm going to be top coating with, whoops, Deep in the Bottles Princess Nails by Johna Snow White top coat. It's been a while since I pulled this out. Love, love, love. Put this back in the lamp. Give that a cure. This one I do recommend a 60-second cure. I do. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. Your presence here is greatly appreciated. I love new subscribers. Lets me get to know more people. So drop me a line, leave me a comment down below, let me know that you were here. Oh, I'm going to start knocking everything over. Good gracious almighty. So yeah, leave me a comment down below, let me know that you were here. Let me know how you're doing during this holiday season. I hope everybody is doing well. I know it's hard with the pandemic going on. Hope you're keeping your chin up. If not, I'm all ears. You need somebody to talk to. You gotta be there for each other at this time of the year. So now I'm going in with my bow. And there we go. Our nail is complete. We have used our item for Charlie's Advent Calendar for day... keep forgetting what day it is. The 12th of December. So I think that looks really super cute with the little camo bow. Could be leopard print, I'm not too sure, but it works for today. Let me comment down below, let me know what you think of my little creation here. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.